Hey, what's up YouTube? It's DeMarco. I'm here giving a clipper review of the Andis Cordless T-Outliner, the lithium ion trimmer. Just got this and picked it up at a show out in Long Beach, California. Number one, I like the packaging. The box is very nice, very good packaging. The clipper to hold it in your hand, it's a great feel. It's the classic T-Outliner feel if you're a fan of that clipper. It is a lot lighter though. Even though lighter, it's still more heavy, and it feels more of a professional grade clipper than the lithium slimline pro that we're used to. You can notice that it does come zero gapped. This is how it comes completely out of the box. It's a heavy duty cradle. The cradle is nice, very sturdy. If you put it there in the station, it's not going to tip over or topple. Inside the box, we have the packaging. Inside of the packaging, you'll find that there is a cord, nice heavy duty cord. It really emphasizes the amount of power that you're going to get with this clipper versus some of the other cordless trimmers. It comes with some guards too if you want to do some clipper over comb work. And purchasing it the way that I did, I received a replacement blade as well. We'll get into that a little bit later, but overall, I like to give this clipper, I say 4.5 barber poles. And the reason why, if you're used to Andis and the professional grade product that it is, you know, Andis clippers are really good for adjusting and really contouring it to make it your own. So now the clipper, I'm demonstrating an outline, but I have done my own zero gap. So I have adjusted it, this clipper, and my personal adjustment is good. Like most barbers, I'm not completely satisfied, so I'm continuing to work with it. So I'm trying as hard as I can to adjust this clipper. It is modified. You can modify it, and I have modified this blade as well. So I'm satisfied with the type of cut that I'm getting out of it. Again, this is my first day using it. And like most clippers, we have to get comfortable with it in our hand. So you do have to adjust to the lightness of the clipper. But I am very satisfied with it. Again, I give it 4.5 barber poles, definitely. Now within this packaging, you'll find that it comes with an adjustable blade. This again can be zero gapped. The blade is a really nice blade and it's very similar, and it appears as though you can put whatever blades you like on it. For example, if you like the black blade or the GTX blade that comes with Andis clippers, it looks as if you can swap it out, so you can put your particular style clipper on it that you do like. So again, this has been my review. Thanks for checking me out. I appreciate it. You can follow me here on my YouTube channel. Please like it, please follow, and please tell others. Come back and see me as I review other styling products and clippers and